Unlocking the meaning of quantity in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: quantity. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding how to use this word correctly is crucial for effective communication. So, grab your notebooks, and let's dive right into it. Quantity refers to the amount or number of something. It is a noun, and it helps us to express how much or how many of a particular item or thing we are talking about. For example, when you go shopping, you might talk about the quantity of apples you want to buy. Or when you are cooking, you might talk about the quantity of flour you need. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use quantity in sentences. The quantity of water in the bottle is not enough for my workout. Can you check the quantity of apples left in the fridge? In these examples, quantity is used to talk about the amount of water and the number of apples. There are several expressions and phrases related to quantity that can be useful. Large quantity refers to a big amount. For example, they bought a large quantity of rice. Small quantity refers to a small amount. For example, you only need a small quantity of salt for this recipe. In quantity, this means in large amounts or numbers. For example, this product is cheaper when bought in quantity. Quantity over quality. This phrase is used when someone is producing a lot of something but not focusing on the quality. It's important to note that quantity should not be confused with quality, which refers to how good or bad something is. Sometimes, learners can mix these two words up, so always remember, quantity is about how much, and quality is about how good. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the word quantity. We hope this video has helped clarify how to use this term correctly in your conversations and writings. Don't forget to practice what you've learned, and feel free to replay this video anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.